Hello. We're done with the immigration. Let's go. Let's go. I'm here. Mamita, first timer. No questions asked. Let's go. Hello. Is that your favorite traveling shirt? That's the one that you use again when we travel to Japan and Hong Kong. Hee. Hey, where are you going? Hey, where are you going? Santol? Bangkok, Santol? Okay. Let's go here in the walk later. Bangkok, Santol. Tara. Yes. There's Cebu Pacific over there. That's PAL. Oh, the Cebu Pacific. It's taxiing. Kaya. Tarin, aling puring mo. Dala mo ba? Hindi ka makakasakay pag wala kang aling puring card. Aling puring card.
Punta tayo lahat na.
Ay, aling puring eh. Hey. I'm taking a video of you. Tara, parang umorder ka ng araw ah. Walang ulan ah. Taas mo ah. Anita. Hey. Anita's there. Hello. Tara, always panalo yan. Dapat meron kang aling puring card. Ha? Aling puring yan eh. Aling... Alright, we're here. Sa ano ka na? Pure Gold Agora.
Sigurado ka ba, Arwin? Hindi mo sigurado.
Welcome to Thailand. You're here now. Hi. Thank you. Thank you. Diretso dun. Bukaka. Oh, bukaka. Bukaka means open. There, oh. Oh, you say bukaka. Open. Ate crap. Ate crap. I stay there now. And we arrived here ready at Thailand. Hello. Hello. Oh, pare. Say hello to my vlog. Ano, naiintindihan mo ba yan, Ate Beng? I really cannot understand what's written in there. But there's a translation maybe later. Di crap. Tap. Crap. Tare. Crap. Hindi ko alam. Uwi na tayo. Balikan lang eh. Ayun na, babalik na sila eh. Papuntang Pure Gold sa, ano lang to, San Mateo. Pure Gold San Mateo. Hello. Ayos pare, naka-3 affidavit ako. Nahilo na ako, nanood na lang ako ng TV. Ay, ano, palabas. Hello. Arrival. Thailand's first flight. We traveled back in time. It's 1 hour. Don Muang. Minto, baka nanood ka ng PGT, pare. Ha? Ito nga rin yun. PGT, pare, pinabalik. Online na kayo, pare. Kukunin pa namin SIM card namin dun eh. Walang iya. Naka-eSIM eh. Hello. Gutom. Hi. We are now here at Thailand. We just arrived. They are late for 1 hour. So, yeah. Saan? Priority? Pare. Hello. Op, kakain tayo, pare.
Saan tayo? Doon ay CR.
Sa Davao. Andyan, CR na kayo. Where are you right now?
I'm in Thailand.
Wow, very good. I'll meet us with you there at the back. Oh, yan. Oh, diyan kami sumakay. Oh. Ayan. Aling Puring. Salamat, Aling Puring, sa pagdala sa amin sa Thailand. You wear your sunglasses now. Aling Puring, pare. Hello. Oh, there's a red bus there. It's Air Asia too. Yep. Uh-huh. What? Oh, come here. Ang mga batang gala. Gala, oh. Batang gala. Batang gala. Sila do. Direct. Oh, it's on video. Arrival. Ito. Arrival. Oh, kompleto. Tara. True 5G. Welcome to Thailand. Okay, go there. We're gonna be having a picture there. Welcome to Thailand. Ayan, kanya-kanya ng pang ano dyan, My Day, oh. Ha? Si Rico yan? Si Rico yan yung model nila, oh. Akin yung phone mo, si Mita daw, may nagsiselfie din. Kunin mo yung cellphone ni Mita. Hello? Pare, what are you going to say? Where are you? All right. Oh, who else? Hello, we are here finally in Thailand. Sawadee krap, pare. Si Derek, oh. Derek. Sama mo na dun yung ano.
Papa, there.
Is that our luggage? Are you?
The blue one.
Okay. That's the blue one. Oo nga eh. Hey, that's heavy. You let Kuya get it. Doon sa Wasdika. Sa Wasdika.
Ayan, totoo na.
Ayan. Ayun pala, may S pala yun, pare. Ano yung sinasabi sa Wasdika? Nothing to declare. Walang label, sabi. Nothing to declare. Hello, Mama. You're in Thailand. Ala ko, yan, tari. Thailand. Ayan. So, if you're gonna be arriving here in Thailand, you can get your money here. Ito daw yung recommended eh. This is the one that's being recommended. This Krungsee ATM. So, we're gonna be withdrawing now. So, ito na lang sa akin. Here. We're gonna be using mine. This is where you're going to get the SIM card for the internet. Pare, sulat ka ha. Sulat. Ingat. Pare. Sulat ha. Ingat, ingat.